Yeah. Good morning, everyone. And believe it or not, and we are on our way to Botswana again. A new adventure, and this time around we're going to travel about for 21 days. Usually we go for 10, 15 days. Now it's 21 days. We have had an overnight stop here on the farm.
Good morning.
Hello, Delinky.
Morning.
Yeah, he's my best buddy ever, Jeline. Mwah. But in any case, so we're going to travel to Stockport this morning. And for this new adventure, hopefully the videos will be out around about in January. We return on the 5th of January, that's correct. We're going to spend Christmas and New Year and Old Year and every year in the bush. And hopefully we can capture everything for you. And keep you pinned to the TV. Speak to you later. On the road to the border. Look who's here. Didi, also on the trip now.
Well, I've also made it. Just.
We also made it just.
No.
We are now at Lephalale. We're going to proceed to the border. So let's see what happens. Oh, come here, so I'll see me. A lot of people standing at the Stockport border gate. Seems like there's a lot of people going on vacation and there's a lot of people traveling home. So I think it's about 1 kilometer round queue we're standing in. So one of those things of life. Nothing we can do. Oh, I hear a chopper. It's coming to pick me up. Bye for now. What a long day. What a long day. We have spent 2.5 hours at the border. On the Botswana side, it was actually quite quick. I think it was about 10 minutes. On the South African side, sorry guys, you're pathetic. You're just trying to boss everybody around, and all you create is a delay, a huge delay, because you think you're important. So really, if it was, I can't see any purpose in the delay. It was unnecessary. But in any case, that's me. We have arrived at Kama Rhino, Mama, and now it's time for a cold one.
And chillax.
We at Kama Rhino stand number 9. So from here tomorrow we're going to continue to Kukunyo Island in the Magadi Pans. A beautiful site. It's actually quite spacious. You can easily fit 4 or 5 vehicles, 6, maybe 6, 8 vehicles in here. Very nice campsite. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Our second day in Botswana. And today we're going to leave Kamarino and go to Kukunyu Island. But in any case, it's a slow go this morning. Had a good night rest. Everybody is fresh, but everything is wet. We had a huge rainstorm last night. But in any case, that's part of the adventure.
Good morning.
Oh, what a glorious morning it is. Hey? Too beautiful for words.
Chairs are wet, wet, wet. Sal dit nou 'n plekkie maak. Ek gaan nou 'n plekkie maak. Ek weet my hande is besig.
Nearly ready to go.
We do not know exactly where we are, but we don't care. We're just cruising through the villages and see where the road takes us. So let's see. This is a village. It's very quiet, very peaceful place.
Neat. Hello. You see, we went from Kamarino and we're on our way to Kukunyu Island. Now, you can take the tar road and then you can go, it's going to take you 300 kilometers to Kukunyu Island. But we have discovered this shortcut. You went through the villages and just find your route, and then obviously this beautiful dirt road. Sometimes you've got mud pools and this black mother, what is mother in Engels? Mud. Mud pools. Not mother, mud pools. But in any case, I just want to show you this beautiful road. Yeah, so be adventurous sometimes and just take a different route. I mean, this Botswana is very peaceful. You don't have to worry about crime and all that nonsense. But in any case, I thought I'm just going to show it to you. Yeah, and this man is hiding from us. This guy.
They say good
James.
things are scarce, eh?
James Bond. Hey mama,
Ja,
wat sê jy?
nice.
Nice.
Ja.
Nice off-road adventure. Hier so daar uit.
Ja, het lijkt of er ook... And yeah, this is the shortcut road to Kukunye Island. This is an adventure. I don't want to bore you with this. But this mud pool after mud pool, and I'm telling you, there's are serious deep mud pools as well with shortcuts. Yes, so this is the rainy season in Botswana. This is the beginning of the rainy season, and you need the proper 4x4 to do this. It looks easy on the camera, but I promise you that's not the case. So enjoy it and check the video until the end. Maybe you learn something from this. Well, it's the end of our shortcut and now we're in a village again.
And everything is clean
Die
and
ding wys ek
neat.
moet reguit gaan. Yeah, and now we off the dirt road. Now we onto a show the road to the people. Yeah. Now this is the rest of the little road that we're going to follow to Kukunyo Island. Great fun. We went through muddy pools and mud. Yes, but in any case, we're not far away. We need to go another 28 or 30 kilometers and then we reach our destination at Kukunyo Island, Magadi Gadi Pans. See you later. Kukunyu Island entrance. At the entrance is a veterinary gate, but obviously nobody is here. They haven't been here for maybe 300 years.
We're in the pans now, and we thought we're going to put up an awning, but the ground here is so hard that we're going to move to another spot. And the rain is
Very
coming.
rocky. Can't put 10 pens in here, man. Crazy. Hello. Now we are at Kukunyu Island, but the problem is that the pans are so wet. We're not gonna take any chances going over the pans to Kukunyu Island, 7 kilometers from here. So we've decided we're going to camp in the bush, somewhere, any place. But in any case, this is our campsite. Have a look. Neem ek reg nie sonne. Trum. Ja.
So what? This is raw camping. No toilets, no showers, just beer and
What?
company.
Are you drinking
And your
again?
parents. Ugh.
Jy het my nommerplaat vir hulle wys.
Hierso om.
Ja.
Hello. We're tired now.
So it was actually a short day. We had to travel about 300 kilometers, but at the end of the day, we took a shortcut, went through villages and all that. Actually quite interesting. Take back roads and whatever you want to call them. And it was nice. I mean, some of the dirt roads are even better than the tar roads. And the tar roads are good. But I mean, we off-road people, so we like to go dirt roads. We like to take it off the tar. We don't like on tar. But in elk geval, and this is the pan in front of us.
Part of the pan. Small part.
Yeah, well, small part of the khadi pans. No animals around, just a little bit, couple of birds, and that's it. So we're going to relax here for the day. Just sit and stare and drinking beer. And then tomorrow we're going to continue to Nata, right through the back roads here to Nata, and then to Elephant Sands for 3 nights, 2 days. And from there we're going to Hunters Road. So, stay tuned. Maak 'n smile.
20 minute later dan staan daar vlinders wees. Maar daarso kom sit en jou, weet jy wat doen nou? Dan drink ek op die arme.
Kom drink die sout.
Is dit wat gebeur?
Is dit vandag weer baie gereën nie?
Ja, ek dink ons dit is dop. Dit is dalk ek dink ons gewonder daaroor.
Dis die koeiepie.
Where is the door handle? Oh, there it is.
It is raining and raining.
die voorkant van my Jeep is taal skoon. Top vir jou. Raining heavily on Kukunyo Island.
Busy making food.
Good morning, my wife.
Morning.
A rusk for breakfast.
Oh yeah, I had mine.
Breakfast time. Packing up slowly but surely. Check part number 2 because we had a huge boo-boo and we had to return on the same road that we came with, and that was a serious adventure through mud and serious obstacles in deep water. But in any case, see you at part 2.